ट्रू इवेंट से इंस्पायर्ड है एंड जो हुआ था वो हमने बताया है एंड कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो डीक्लासिफाइड भी हैं जो पता चली हैं और कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो उसको थोड़ा बहुत हमने एग्जैजरेट करके उसको थोड़ा बड़ा किया है। एक तो सबसे बड़ी बात तो ये है इस फिल्म को यार जब हमने शूट किया था तो पूरी दुनिया बंद थी पूरी दुनिया बंद थी तो ये दुनिया की पहली फिल्म थी जिसने फिल्म की शूटिंग शुरू की। मुझे अभी भी याद है हम 250 लोग प्लेन में बैठे थे। आई वॉज नॉट सो श्योर कि टारमैक पे भी जब प्लेन खड़ा था डर था कि कहीं वापस ना बुला ले, कहीं ये ना हो, कहीं ये ना आ जाए कि वहाँ से ऑर्डर आ जाए कि nobody is allowed to come till we were airborne, then only, and I still remember everybody in the plane screamed कि 4 महीने से घर पे बैठे हैं एंड एवरीबडी जो आज़ादी जिसको कहते हैं वो खुल के सब चीखे थे। I sat down with them and we played housey and we all played housey. They all won money and everything. So it was the best feeling. मतलब इतनी अच्छी फीलिंग कोई भी फिल्म में नहीं आई जितनी बेल बॉटम के वक्त। मतलब इमेजिन 5 महीने आदमी घर रहा और फिर सडनली बाहर निकलने का मौका मिला और वो भी 4 दीवारी के अंदर। It was something else only. There were some 5 rules we had. हाथ धोना, मास्क पहनना, मतलब सबको ये घड़ी दी गई थी। So this is a very amazing watch. It shows it's called the Goki watch. It shows the temperature. It shows oxygen level. It shows your मतलब हर किस्म की चीज़ें आपको बताती है and which is on the producer's computer.
Wow.
So it's connected to. So all the 300 people were wearing this. So अगर किसी का temperature बढ़ता था, so he would come to know. So on the motherboard. So this thing came in a lot of use. Everything was taken care, and we were very lucky. Not even one case of COVID was there, and we just sailed through. That's it. So we have Maharashtra is closed.
Yeah.
So 30% of the money comes from Maharashtra. 50% occupancy. That means 50% of the other 70% that also is gone because of COVID. But we have to take a risk.
Yeah.
Again, we have to take a risk. I'm keeping my finger crossed, hoping that Maharashtra opens before 19th. Because I'm sure the Chief Minister knows what he's doing.
Yeah.
He wants to know, he wants to make sure all the conditions are safe enough. And मैं अपने फिल्म के लिए if I go and talk, कल जाके केसेस बढ़ जाएं तो I will be supposed, it will be on me. It is better everybody he takes the call and that's it. And he knows his job very well. In North अभी एक पंजाबी फिल्म रिलीज हुई. First day business was, I'm not remembering the proper, I think it was 11 lakhs and on Monday onward it went to 35 lakhs. So the businesses, people are going. And to be honest, people are going and watching it. If this is one territory which you and I cannot guess it. God knows what is going to happen because now going to theatres, it's all people's call. It's a risk, it's a thing which people are going to, but just keeping and hoping that people realize that we are watching a movie, so we are looking at the screen, not looking at each other. So this is an easier way. It is less risky, I think. Do you know my job is more dangerous than any job because I cannot shoot with a mask on. 10 people standing, they're all delivering dialogues. Nobody is allowed to wear mask. वो मेरे पे थूक रहा, मैं उस पे थूक रहा हूँ. So it is a dangerous thing, but ठीक है, अभी करना पड़ेगा. 1.5 years, तो I was very lucky to survive. Then I got COVID. See, I can easily, to be honest, sit home. I have that much money, I can sit home. But the point is, what about the workers who are sitting there? Today, if you ask her about, today you try to get a character actor, if he's a little famous also, he doesn't have dates. There are many people. There are, अभी तो बड़े एक्टर, बड़े हीरो की डेट मिल जाती है, उसकी कैरेक्टर एक्टर की नहीं मिलती. I think I don't want to miss out at anything. If a good script comes, I say I am doing it. I am not going to say मेरे पास अभी डेट नहीं है, तू रुक. मेरे को मालूम है वो रुकने वाला नहीं है, वो दूसरे के बाद जाएगा. So I stop showing off your star power. There is nothing called star power. The power is only in the script. If you are getting a good script, चुपचाप ले ले. I know Lara, she's मतलब मस्ती ज़्यादा नहीं करती, मतलब the perfect poise and everything. I said कि you can carry this role. You can carry this role. First, she thought I was actually pranking her, but I was not. I wanted her to do it, and even I was scared. And nobody recognized her. I'll tell you, my sister has seen the movie twice.
Okay.
Bell Bottom. On the second time, she's asked me, but where is Lara? And then I realized इसको पता ही नहीं था कि लारा कहाँ है. ऐसे वो इंदिरा गांधी का जो रोल किया वो लारा है. वो लारा है. She didn't. And my sister was there at the shoot. मतलब when I was shooting, not at the set. She was there. That's what she asked me. But लारा को हम लेके गए थे. लारा किधर है? I would say he's a very good-looking guy.
I agree.
If मेरा कोई बायोपिक करेगा तो वो कर सकता है. I saw that meme of that. I'm having that's a still from my first film. Saw them with my stick in my hand. Yeah. And they कहले अभी से practice चालू हो गया. I thought it was very funny. It's not a thought process. It's something which comes from the heart. I think creativity comes from your heart.
Yeah.
That's what I follow. There's not too much of thinking. वैसे भी I'm not that kind of an actor जो एक रोल के अंदर घुसने में 1-2 महीना लगा लेगा.
Yeah.
I do films. आज ये खत्म तो कल दूसरा. अभी मैंने रक्षाबंधन खत्म किया. The next day I'm shooting for Cinderella. और ये खत्म हो जाएगा, then I'll be shooting for Ram Setu. Regret not doing a film, but that time I didn't have the date to do it, and that was Bhag Milkha Bhag. That was offered to me.
That was a great one.
But I was doing houseful. Proudest moment of my life is in this career is to be in this industry for as long as possible. I sometimes, I feel every 10 years, मतलब मैंने अपना ऐसे दिमाग में बना रखा है, every 10 years there is a bus which leaves. You have to run and get into that bus which will take you to the next 10 years. Then you have to catch the bus again. So you have to keep on working hard so that you can catch that bus. So a lot of people, whoever can stick to that bus, this is just it's just a thing which I think of. So my proudest moment is when I get that bus.